What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. In this video, I'm going to do a Screencast-O-Matic review 2021. I've never done a review on Screencast-O-Matic, so I wanted to shoot a quick video, just kind of show you. This is a tool that I'm using to create all of my YouTube videos, to do screen capture, add captions to my video whenever I do it, little annotations and all of that stuff. I use Screencast-O-Matic. So what I want to do is just simply walk you through the actual website, and then I'm going to have to go into another software to actually record the interface of the software of Screencast-O-Matic, because I can't record and with Screencast-O-Matic to record Screencast-O-Matic. I hope that makes sense. So what I'm actually going to do right now, let's drop down. And as you see right now, my screen is big. Okay. So what I can do is actually click a little button right here, and it's going to drop down in the corner. And as it drops down in the corner, I can also click here and bring it back up top, or I can click this button and it'll actually disappear. Okay, maybe you see me, maybe you don't, I'm not sure, but you should not see me right now. So if I click this button, you should see me. If I click this one, it brings it up again, and that type of stuff right there. Okay, so I'm going to drop back down in the corner. So this is the actual page. Okay, so you can capture, create, and share, okay, with Screencast-O-Matic. Up here you see your icons. You got the educational, you got work, personal, product, pricing, and resources. Okay, so you can just come over here and read through this page. You can record your screen, edit videos, use stock for any projects. They have built-in images that you can use, and short video clips that you can use as well. Okay, you can take screenshots, host and share content, and you can see what the community is saying. So let's just kind of go across the top until I'm going to log in. Okay, and then I'm going to show you what's on the inside. So you have the educational. Okay, you have pricing for individuals and pricing for districts and universities. Okay, so I don't know if you're with a university or you just, a solo. You can do it on your own. Okay, you can easily integrate with the tools you're already using: Canvas, Schoology, Moodle, LTI, Microsoft Teams, Google Drive, and Google Classroom. Okay, this is for the educational, so you can actually read that information there as well. Okay, we have work. So if we look at the work, you can see what you can do here. So it can be used for any type of thing. Personal, for me, it's personal. For my business, okay, I can explore the plans, and we'll get to that in a minute. Okay, so you can see everything you can do here. Photo and video library to help and tell your story, make memories, all of that good information. Then you have, of course, the products, which is the screen recorder. I'm going to show you the screen recorder and the video editor actually in a separate video, because I'm going to have to use another software to record that, because as I said before, you can't record, Screencast-O-Matic using Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, so they have screenshots, they have stock library beta, secure backup, all of that. And if we look at the pricing, okay, you have solo plans and you have team plans. Now for the solo plan, it's $1.65 per month, billed yearly. Okay, I have the Premier, which is $4 per month, billed yearly, so I'm paying like $48 per month. I think with this one here, if I'm correct, let's see, 1.65 times. So you're looking at, for the $1.65, you're looking at $19.80 per year. Okay, and they also have a free version as well, for up to 15 minutes, unless they have increased that. I don't know. I haven't used the free version in a long time. Okay, so you can use that, but you will have a watermark on your videos, which doesn't matter as long as you're giving out valuable content. We can view all of the features, okay, down here. Okay, so you have a feature comparison. You got free, deluxe, and premier. Okay, like I said, I have the premier, and you can just kind of scroll through here when you get to this page and look at what it is that you can do and what you have access to inside of this builder. Okay, then you can ask if you can get refunds and frequently asked questions and things like that. Okay, so you can look at that. Then of course we have resources here: blog, what's new, tutorial and training, and the help center. Okay, so let's actually log into the account now. And I don't know if it's going to show me my back office, the old or the new, but we're going to log in. So here we are right now. You see I'm hosting all of these videos up here. So let's go over here. And if you click on, you look up here at the top, you see my content. We have like a little camera where you can capture screenshots. You have a video editor where you can launch it. I mean the video recorder and the editor. And of course, you know, your settings and all of that information is over here. So let's go back and look at my content. And this is what I like about this little editor. If I click on my content, I can host my videos here. I don't necessarily have to host them on YouTube or Vimeo where, you know, to put them on my websites. Okay. I can actually host them here and use these in my web pages. And just for the sake of it, let me show you a quick example of how this works. If I log into the funnel builder that I use, which is HBA Funnel Builder, and if I come down here and if I click on my residual income thank you, this is actually a video, okay, from Screencast-O-Matic that I embedded in here. Okay, there's no watermarks, there's nothing like that. You can have the controls on and off. It's totally up to you, okay, if you want to do that. And so if I came over here and I clicked on Funnel Builder and I scroll down again and I click on add new step and I say a new page, I'm going to delete this in a minute, and I'm just going to choose this template here. This is a video template as well. If I select that one and I'm just going to name it test, okay, I'm going to click add. And so if I want to add a video here, I simply come back over to Screencast-O-Matic and I can click on details, and we're going to explore this a little bit. You can give it a title. You can download MP4, send it to the video editor if you want to edit it, you know, from your phone or something, and you upload it to Screencast-O-Matic. You can do it in the editor. Okay, you can do a what they call it, thumbnails and things like that. I'll show you that in a minute. You can schedule a posting date. You can customize it down here. As you see here, if I want to change that right there, the color picker, I could pick any color and change this bar across here. Full screen, playback speed, all of that information there. Okay, if I wanted to do, if I wanted the title to show in the video, I could keep it unlisted. Okay, this is a direct link to share it with somebody. Okay, I can add a custom link. I can do all the controls. I can pick, you know, how I want to do responsive, full, small, tiny, custom. Okay, so you can get a chance to do all of that with this little editor here. Okay, if I go back over here, and the only thing I have to do is click on, if I want autoplay, okay, if I want the title to show, it'll show, but I copy this code here and I come back over to my editor and I click here, I'm on my page builder, and I click on edit video. And I simply paste that in there, and there's the video. It's in there. I can save it. Now I can view this, okay, to show it in a new tab, and there's the video there. So it's real convenient, okay, because if you're using YouTube videos, not to say that this happened, but it could happen, you know, if you're using YouTube videos and they show other things at the end of the video that people can go visit, okay, at the end of the video. And even if someone pauses the video, that can happen as well. Okay, so this is a little funnel builder that I'm using. There'll be a link to it in the description, HBA Funnel Builder, if you want to get a hold of that as well. Okay, you can look at analytics, you can copy the link, you can replace it, or you can delete the video, which is not, I don't want to do that. The videos here, you have the images, you have folders, and all of that stuff that you can do right there. Okay, so that's what you can do, the access that you have inside of the builder. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm actually going to pause this video to pull up my other my other video recorder, so I can record the actual interface of Screencast-O-Matic, so you can see how that worked, because I can't record with both of them at the same time. So I will not click the record button inside of Screencast-O-Matic. So with that being said, let me pause this video. I'll pull up my other software and I'll be back. You won't see me on the screen, but I'll be back in a moment. So here we are now inside of the interface of Screencast-O-Matic, and I'm just going to kind of walk you across the screen a little bit. You see the documents up here. You can switch folders and things of that nature. You can have automatic back off or on. That's totally up to you. This is the record button, so if you want to record, I'm not going to click this button simply because what's going to happen is it's going to stop recording on my other software, and I don't want to do that. You have scripted here. You have import. You can import the types of files that you can import, and you can connect, okay, Zoom if you want to connect Zoom and things like that. You also have task. If you click on that, you know task running. Publish history, English, your language, and this up here is where you would actually have updates. We do have a new version. I'm not sure if you can see this or not, but I hope that you can. And I can download it, which I'm not going to do right now. So if you notice right now, this is the video that I was just recording with Screencast-O-Matic, okay? And so I'm not sure what's ready to happen now, but I'm going to click on this so this can open up and show you what it does. Okay, this is the actual video, so nothing happened. So it's going to actually, this is your where you're speaking down here, all of this information. So right now we're not in the actual editing part, okay? You have options to save your file, okay? You can upload it to save the video file to your hard drive, Screencast-O-Matic, YouTube, Vimeo, Google Drive, Dropbox, and things like that, okay? So we're back into the editing. If you look over here to the right hand side, you can change the size, narration, you can add music to it, okay? So if I wanted to click on add music, this would pop up and give you different type of music that you can add to it. You can not show the cursor if you don't want to show the cursor. You can cut off the webcam. You can even add captions, and it's going to go through your video, okay, and get your words, okay, so you can actually, you know, correct anything in there where it shows up in your video. And so if I just drag this, let's look at the tools section. In the tools section, you can cut, you can copy, you can hide the cursor, webcam, new recording, existing recording, pause, video, paste recording. You can narrate. You have the overlays of images, blur out, shape, arrow, highlight text, paste, video, replace video, freeze the frame. You can add sound, you know, music and sound effect, speed it up, slow it down, transitions that you can add in there. You also have the volume. If I click on transitions, it shows the type over here that I want to add. If you notice, if you can see it, that it actually popped up down here at the bottom. I can click cancel. I don't want to do it, but those are all of the types of things that you can do with this little video editing software, Screencast-O-Matic. I really like it. I've been using it for a long time. As a matter of fact, when I finish this video here or recording on this other video or recording software, I'm going to put these two videos together just to simply make one video, okay? And then I'm going to upload it to YouTube, and so you'll be able to sit here and watch it now. Now there's a lot of other things that you can do with this editor, okay, that I really don't want to get into, but it's a nice little simple tool that you can use to record your videos, and the price is reasonable. Now you can get OBS, I believe, is free. There's a learning curve to it, and there's a learning curve to Screencast-O-Matic as well. I just like using this little tool because it works for me. Okay, so I'm hoping that what you see on the screen is actually going to show in the video, because I can change the text up here if I wanted to, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to leave it alone. This is where you name your file, okay? So you want to name your file whatever your video is. If I click on this video here, you see I can make it bigger, okay? And all of that stuff right there, I can do all of that with this little editor here. I can move it around to wherever I want it, okay? Crop it, reset it, style it, add some options to it. If I want to do a green screen, which I don't, I can do some layering. And just say in this video, if I actually wanted to let's go over here and click on that's playing. So it's actually playing the video there. And so if I wanted to, I'm gonna click on OK. If I come over to tools and I want to do an overlay of an image, okay, I have my files, a clipboard, screenshot, or stock library. It's going to actually open up another page, okay, where I can choose images out of Screencast Matic stock library. And this software that I'm using, I'm not sure if it's going to pick up the screen to do it, but you can do that. So I hope all of this came through. That you're able to see what you can do with it. And if you have any questions, my contact information will be below, so you can contact me and I'll be glad to walk you through Screencast-O-Matic, anything I can do to help you. So I replayed the video that I just recorded, and I noticed that a lot of the things didn't show through, but that's just the other software that I'm using to record Screencast-O-Matic. Plus it's by Microsoft anyway. So, but what I wanted to show you also before I let you go was that if we come to products, I actually want to show you the stock library. Okay, so if I click on it, this is the stock library. Now you can use popular stock images that are royalty free, okay, in here. And not only that, but you have technology, travel, family, business, nature, animals, background, healthcare, and drones. And you also have videos as well. Now you have to be a Premiere member to use the videos, okay? So, but you do have access to that if you decide that you want to do that, okay? So, but let's just go back. Let's look at video. There's video content hosting. Got the video editor. You got screenshots as well. So you can take screenshots with this little tool as well, okay? So I wanted to kind of show you those things, but let's just go back to the stock videos. And let's just say if you're using a travel business, then you can click on travel, okay? And then you have access to all of these videos here, okay, that you can actually use, and they automatically populate inside of your editor, and you can just pull them from inside of the editor from this website, okay, in there, so you can use them. And if you got, 8,000 photos, you got 10K photo videos, these are videos that you can actually use. So if we just look at that one right there, it's 14 seconds long. You can send it to the editor and things like that. So you have all of this that you can use. You got 8,000 photos, 10,000 videos, okay? And you can go to the next one, okay? It's totally up to you. If you don't want travel, you can come up here and pick, if you're into technology, there it is. You have videos for technology. So all of this stuff is just something that you can use, to enhance your videos. If we just want to take a look at that, we can send that to the editor, and you can do quite a bit, okay, with this little editor. So with that being said, I'm getting ready to go out here and hang with the family for the rest of the day. Sorry about the other video. It didn't show everything. I may download another piece of software to kind of show you that information. But if I don't, I hope you get the gist of what this video was about, and I hope it helps you to make a sound decision, okay, if you decide you want to get Screencast-O-Matic or not. If you do, a link for it in the description. Also for the funnel builder, HBA funnel builder, and for GetResponse, and there are some other additional links that you may want to check out. So with that being said, my name is Richard Hairston. I'm out of here. You have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.